Hi there. This video will show you everything you need to know about insulating your valves. We will go over the measuring procedure, picking the right product for your project, and finally how to properly install your insulation snakes. Our flagship product is the original insulation snake, and it can be used to insulate just about anything. But for components that require maintenance and accessibility, you may want to use a hood or a pig cover. We offer three main types of component covers: inline hoods, which wrap around the component and the pipe it is attached to; riser hoods, which are wrapped around the base of the component and are often used if the component is connected to a pipe that is already insulated; and lastly, pig covers, which have two open sides. All of these product options come with integrated snake straps. Now we'll go over the measuring instructions. For all three of these products, you'll need to measure the width of the accessory at its widest point, and the length measurement will depend on which product you choose. If you chose to use an inline hood, you'll measure from the top of the valve to the bottom of the pipe or object that it's attached to. If you chose the riser hood, you'll measure from the top of the valve to the point that it connects to the attached pipe. And if you chose the pig cover, you will simply measure however much length you need to be insulated. And now we'll take you over to our new quote requesting platform, QuotePro by Insulation Snakes, and we'll show you how to add all of these products to your basket. For all three of these products, you can simply type in the circumference and height that we measured before, and QuotePro will automatically pick the right product for you. Now choose your product grade. To learn more about the differences between the grades, click on the information icons. And now, on to the installation procedure. If you added notes to your basket on QuotePro, you can refer to those notes here as a reminder of where each product needs to go. All three of these products are very simple to install. All you need to do is place the cover over the component and fasten the integrated snake straps. As with all our products, it's important that you don't over-tighten the straps, as overly compressing the insulation will reduce the R value. And make sure that you don't cut the snakes, as they will no longer be weatherproof. Now you know everything you need to properly protect your valves and other components from the cold. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for using insulation snakes.